Hello, my viewers. I hope you all are doing great. As we stepped into the new year, I just thought of sharing a short video of these bakehouse creations sea salt caramel double chocolate cookie dough. They are great, very easy to bake. Here in the baking tray, I have just lined it with the wax paper, or you can line with the parchment paper, and then these are like these, and then I'm just gonna place them 2 inches apart, and we have to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheat the oven, place the cookies on a parchment paper lined baking sheet 2 inches apart, bake for 12 to 14 minutes, and remove the pan from oven and allow the cookies to cool slightly before removing with the spatula. So let's get started. Here it is. I'll put them in soon. The oven is being preheated. Oh wow, have a look. Nice, yummy cookies. Give it a try, guys. This was really easy, instant and delicious cookies. I hope you all have a great weekend. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share with your family and friends. Take care till next time. Goodbye.